Let's go mga bakla! Ay, gwapo naman ito oh. There! Let's go!
Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Be. Saka po tabi. Tagal ng performance, di ba? Napaka-init. Tan tan nan 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 ganon. Alright, so where are we going next? Laka baka yung ating pisngi is sira na. Ah, hindi. Perfect pa rin. Daming tao, guys. Grabe. Asa na? Diba? Nilabas ko lahat ng ng cholesterol. Naghanap na lang tayo ng mga ng mga pwede. Ng mga puro bakla naman. Yeah. Wala bang mga Pinoy dito? Mga baklang Pinoy. Where are they? Saan sila? Ano tayo straight tayo. Ay, si baby. Grabe. Basang-basa na ako ng pawis. Eh? Saan sila? Ayun, nasa baba. Alright guys, so ganito. Kung gusto nyo ma-experience itong mga ganito dito, aside from the Songkran, di ba, basaan. Mas masaya guys yung Pride Month. Check nyo na lang for next year kung kailan or anong date magpo-fall yung Pride Parade event, kumbaga. Pride Month naman is nagla-last for 1 month, buong month ng June. Sa baba. Tara. Ito si Bibi. Ano meron? Andun. Andun sila sa sa pinaka-stadium. Tara, baba tayo. So ito na guys, nandito tayo sa may pinaka-stadium. Marami nagbebenta dito ng mga paraphernalia for LGBT. Di ba, be? Ay, gwapo naman ito, oh. Char. Be, naliligaw ka ba, be? Dan kay Topini. Pride.
Okay, this one, okay? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Regine! Charot lang. Pag sumigaw ka dito ng bakla, lahat yan titingin guys. Mga bakla! Charot. Ay, be!
เรามีจุดบริการค่ะพี่เน่งมีอะไรบ้างคะ
ตอนนี้เราจะละลายแล้วฉะนั้นเราบอกเขาก่อนว่าเราต้องหลบร้อนก่อน
หลบ
นะ
ร้อนก่อนค่ะหลบร้อนก่อนเนาะมีน้ำนะคะบริการค่ะ
ในปีนี้เนี่ยเดี๋ยวเรามาดูกันเกี่ยวกับกฎนี้เป็นยังไงบ้างต้องบอก
Daming bakla! Grabe, ang init! Kaya dito, be! Yan, mag-i-start na guys, yung parade. Happy Pride! Gwapo, di ba? Let's go mga bakla!
you waiting till the morning comes my bed? I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. She wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, tears, my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect sign for another one. And you and I believe. Everyone talk to me. If I like some more than once, you are personal. I get this moment conversation, and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the blame myself. Told you so many times, but never look back. Till I break your heart. What I feel inside breaks me down and burns me out. Left to nevermore. She wonder how I leave you. There's no peace, my love, never cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect sign for another one. And you and I believe. Everyone talk to me. If I like some more than once, you are personal. Wonder why don't carry on. Do I want it? Somebody to help me evermore. Can you heal me from the dark of my past? Can you take me higher side? Wish I got you on my back. She wonder. She wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, my love, Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect sign for another one. And you and I believe. Everyone talks to me.
From National Stadium, nag-aabot tayo dito sa Sayang Paragon. Masaya kasi dito Beyonce yung pinapadugtog. 3 times in a row. Gandun lang guys. Pagod na ako. Alright, so sana na-enjoy nyo. Yun lang muna guys. Makikiparty lang ako kasi syempre may mga bata pa rin, di ba? Na nanonood. So puputuli ko muna. Bahala na ako, okay?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa Siam platform at uwi na tayo. So actually yun lang yun. Hindi na tayo aabot dun sa Central World kasi sobrang daming tao. Mamaya hahabol ako pero hindi na tayo mag-vlog. Kasi nga syempre alam niyo naman kahit paano may mga batang nanonood, mga sensitive sa mga ganitong topic at saka sa ganitong community. So respect na lang. So bahala na kayo kung papanoorin nyo o hindi, okay? Bangkok Pride Parade 2025. Dito lang yan sa Bangkok, this Pride Month. And sa mga kapamilya kapuso natin dyan ng mga PEX Battalion, mga member or nasa LGBTQ community, happy Pride Month sa inyo lahat, guys. Straight tayo ha, baka sabihin nyo charot lang. So yun lang, kung na-enjoy nyo guys yung video natin, share and syempre like this video and subscribe to my channel Mark Paragas Official and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. Enjoy life, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment so you will never get to this age again. Please do whatever makes you happy and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas. What's up? What's up sa inyong lahat dyan all over the world? Syempre, mga viewers natin, mga followers and friends natin, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pang sports pa. Charot lang. Okay guys, I have a special announcement to make. Klook Creator Awards Night is back. And this year guys, you have the power to make it extra special. And guys, I'm so excited to share that the Klook Creator Awards Night is happening once again! Yay! And this time guys, kayong mga viewers, mga audience, mga followers, mga subscribers, get to vote for your favorite content creators or Klook creators. So ito guys, yung mga nagbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration, motivation, mga guide para mapadali yung mga upcoming trips ninyo. And syempre hindi lang doon, yung may mga personal touch na rin. Basta kung sino yung pinaka-favorite ninyong vlogger guys or Klook content creator, vote nyo sila. Syempre hindi ko naman sinasabing kasama ako doon. Pero kung feeling nyo ako yon, please vote wisely na lang. Okay? Last year, parang within mga Klook creators lang yung mga nag-vote. But this time, they gave you a chance guys. So please use it wisely. Vote wisely. Okay? Para naman yung mga feeling nyo na hindi pa na-discover na mga content creator tapos kayo kilala nun niya, at least mabigyan ng spotlight. Ganon. Okay? So guys, I will post the link sa comment section. Lalagay ko na lang din dito kung ano yung mga pipila pa ninyo. There will be a form that you need to sign in lang using your personal email addresses. And then kung family kayo, lahat kayo, kung gusto nyo mag-vote, okay na okay lang din. Tapos, tatanungin nyo lang kayo kung ano yung name ng creator na gusto niyo, kung ano yung social media handles niya, and kung ano yung code niya. If ako yung pipiliin nyo guys, so my name is Mark Paragas. My social media handles is Mark Paragas as well. Tapos ang promo code natin sa Klook is Mark Paragas Klook. And at the bottom of the page, tatanungin kayo kung bakit siya ang napili ninyo at kung bakit feel nyo na siya yung mabigyan ng spotlight during the awards night. Okay? So yun lang naman ang ating isi-share. So I'm so excited kasi we were invited again this year for the Klook Creator Awards night. Kahit wala tayong nomination, wala tayong awards, okay na okay lang sa atin. But you know what? Na-share ko lang last time na nag-Klook Creator, syempre na-motivate ako, na-inspire ako sa kanila. Yung sa mga nagkaroon ng mga awards. Tapos, alam niyo ba, yung isa sa mga iniisip ko that time, na sabi ko, one day, aakyat din ako sa stage na yan. Oh! Pero hindi ko sasabing iboto nyo ako dahil doon na. Basta, bahala na kayo. But if you think na nagagawa ko naman, nagagampanan ko yung tungkulin ko, charot lang, kukunyat ako eh. So yun lang guys, please vote wisely. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if ever guys, tapos na kayo mag-fill up and then napili nyo ako as your favorite content creator, pwedeng pa-screenshot nung nilagay ninyo na comment about me. Parang asarap kasi niya magbasa ng mga ganon. And naalala ko lang siya guys, nag-remind sa akin kasi may mga nagpapadala na sa akin, like 4 person ata nagpadala na sa akin ng mga votes nila. So yon, wala lang, masarap lang sa feeling. Kahit doon, kahit actually basta hindi tayo manalo, okay na okay lang. Basta yung manalo sana yung talagang deserving. Kasi ano naman yan, di ba? May iba-iba tayong taste, may iba-iba tayong mga hinahangaan kumbaga. Kahit ako meron ako hinahangaan, alam niyo yan. And syempre pagdating ng Klook Creator Awards Night, doon nila i-announce kung sino yung panalo or kung sino yung may nanalo sa voting. And then, ang link guys will expire on July 4. So, you still have till July 3 to vote your favorite creator. Okay? So, yun lang. Minadali ko lang. And thank you so much, everyone. Again, palagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, no matter what, umulan umaraw, tuloy ang laban sa mga travels ninyo. Enjoy life. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment. You will never get to this age again, guys. So, please, do what makes you happy. And follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. Thank you. Peace.